All right. Hi, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today is going to be exciting because I am going to show you guys how we managed to fix the blinds in our new home. It was an interesting experience, and also it would be good for you guys to bear in mind that this is not an exact tutorial on how to do it, but more of me telling you guys how we did it, and then you can learn from what we did right, what we did wrong. We did a lot of things wrong. So beforehand, we had measured all of our windows and we had noted down all the measurements, and I'll probably be linking the guide that we used to do these measurements. We used the one from Dunelm because we were making our Venetian blinds with Dunelm, and we made to measure because we realized there would be too much cutting involved, and at the time we didn't have a saw, an electric saw, so we didn't want to go through that process. We eventually did buy an electric saw, but we went for made to measure, which in hindsight we probably wouldn't have after going through this experience and really seeing how kind of straightforward it can be. But anyway, what we have now realized is this one that has come for this particular window that we want to fit in and we're measuring right now was the exact measurements that we gave them. So usually when you give them the exact measurements, they have a calculator that kind of takes off like 1 centimeter, or takes off an inch or 1 centimeter. I can't remember what it is, but it takes off part of your measurement so it fits properly, because what you have given them is an exact measurement and it might be too tight, so they take off like 1 centimeter so that it fits into the window nicely. But what they've given us for this particular window is the exact measurements that we gave them, so they didn't take account any deductions, which they should have, because they did that with some of the other ones that we got. So what we're going to do, thank God we have a saw, but we've never used it before, is we're going to trim down our Venetian blinds. So this will be exciting. Now that we finally set this up, we have realized that we don't have any safety clothing. And we're just going to wing it because that's not going to stop us right now. So please don't do this at home. Don't try this. Don't be like us. Do better. You know better. Do better. And my husband has his cycling glasses, and we're going to use that. We're going to just find a way to protect ourselves and figure this out. Okay, now that is done, I must confess that was really exciting for me. I look forward to cutting through more things, but definitely in a safer environment with appropriate clothing and everything else. But yes, that was really exciting. So I'm just going to show you guys the rest of it without my voice. Enjoy the music and speak to you guys soon. Okay, and that was it. And we pretty much repeated the process for our bay window downstairs and everything else. If you have any questions, which I hope you don't, I mean, it's fine if you guys have any questions, because I feel like now we have a little bit of experience doing this, and especially knowing what not to do. But yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed that, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as well. The cleanup in this place is going to be insane, because obviously we did that very wrong and could have done better to avoid the stress. But yeah, be safe, enjoy, see you guys on my next video. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and all the good stuff. Bye.